decimal arithmetic operations. Okay, this binary is something different in which we have to understand the truth table. And while going with the arithmetic operation, mostly we are dealing with addition and subtraction, even though we have multiplication as well as division, but we have seen only addition and subtraction. And to carry out this addition and subtraction, we have to understand the table. The table is very important. I have shown you the 4 columns. I want everyone to just visualize. Okay, just visualize that I have given you the table in which there were 4 columns, that is A0 and A1. A0 and A1 has 4 different combinations in which I have told you 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So whenever, as far as your arithmetic addition is concerned, whenever you go with the addition of 0, 0, you are getting the sum and the carry. You are getting the sum and the carry. Okay. Now, whenever you carry out this addition, we have to understand, is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you carry out this addition, you have to see that what is the sum we get and what do we get the carry. So whenever you do 0, 0, मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, okay. So whenever you do 0 plus 1, you will get the sum of 1 and you will get carry as 0. Whenever you do 1 plus 0, you will get a sum of 1 and the carry is 0. But whenever you do 1 plus 1, that is more interesting. You will get a 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, the sum you get 0, but carry is generated. The whatever the carry will be generated, that will be 1. Okay, तो इसलिए जो लास्ट वाला रो है उसको मैंने एस्ट्रिक दिया था, because that is the particular case which is of more interesting, and mostly you will forget that one. So 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. So you remember this. Okay, you just mug up. Okay, so these were the 4 columns, and the last row, which is the important one as far as addition is concerned. Then we have seen with the binary subtraction. So in the binary subtraction also I have told you the same thing. We have 4 columns. The columns are A0, A1, and you will get a difference and you will get the borrow. So borrow and difference are the 2 important columns. So whenever you do 0 minus 0, again the column for A0 and A1 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, ये सब अभी तुरंत याद में आना चाहिए. Okay, as far as 2-bit representation is there, as far as 1 representation is there, as far as 3 representation is there, as far as 4 representation is there. मैं आपको वो बताता हूँ. I will just show you after this. So whenever you do the binary subtraction, एक मिनट. Yes. So whenever you do the binary subtraction, you see the 0 minus 0 gives you difference 0, borrow 0. 0 minus 1 will give you a difference of, yes?
Sir, are you writing
Yes.
something on the white?
No, I'm not writing. No, I'm not writing anything, because I have asked you to visualize. So visualizing means you close your eyes and just see the picture in front of your eyes. I am जैसे जैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ, you have to visualize the picture. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
So 0 minus 0 will give you a difference of 0. The borrow will be 0. 0 minus 1 will give you a difference of 1. Borrow with 1. Okay. So second row is important. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. Then 1 minus 0 will give you a difference of 1, borrow will be 0. And 1 minus 1 is difference will give you 0 with borrow of 0. Okay. तो इसमें सबसे important वाला रो था वो second वाला था, जिसमें 0 minus 1. That is more important. 0 minus 1. So always remember 0 minus 1, 1, difference, and borrow is 1. Okay. So that is the thing. Now I have asked you to remember the representation of the binary number. Okay. If I'm taking you now, everyone just see on the open board now. Whenever I'm asking you to represent in 1-bit format, it will be either 0 or 1. लेकिन जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि representation of binary number in two bit format, remember it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this is a representation of binary in 2-bit representation, where this will give you decimal 0, this will give you decimal 1, this will give you decimal 2, and this will give you decimal 3. मैं जब बोलता हूँ कि representation of binary number in 3-bit format, then it will be 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. ये सब याद होना चाहिए फटाफट, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी स्क्रीन पे बताया. So this represents 0 in decimal, this represents 1 in decimal, this represents 2 in decimal, this represents 3 in decimal, this represents 4 in decimal, this represents 5 in decimal, this represents 6 in decimal, this represents 7 in decimal. Okay. So this is a 3-bit representation of binary number. Again, if I go with the 4-bit representation, see here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Then comes 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So this is a 4-bit representation. This is 0. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is 12. This is 13 14, and this is 15. So this is a 4-bit representation. This is a 4-bit. ये सब आपको आने चाहिए. ओके. तुरंत मैं बोलूंगा 10 का डेसिमल बाइनरी नंबर क्या है. You should say 1010. So everything works upon the simple code that is 1248. बस. So remember this 1248. So it depends upon 1248. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I have shown you 2-bit representation, 3-bit representation, 4-bit representation. Even you have a 5-bit representation. So when I talk about 5-bit representation, there is addition of 16 here. There is addition of 16 here. So then it becomes 5-bit representation. Then it becomes 16 there. Okay. So hardly we go till 16. We only deal with 1248. तो आपको यही याद रखना है. Even in the my last lecture, I have talked about something, the examples of addition of addition of two numbers in the binary and subtraction of two numbers in the binary. So we have done this type of calculation. As far as multiplication divisions are concerned, हम वो नहीं कर रहे. So after this, we are going further to understand the important subtopic, that is binary code. This is very important. We are talking about the binary codes. Okay. तो सबसे पहले हम समझेंगे कि कोड क्या होता है. Okay. Now whenever you say the code, that is nothing but, in simple sentence, it is a the collection of symbols. You are familiar with what is a symbol. You are familiar with what is a digit. So you can say symbol or the collection of digit will give you a code, a specific code. Okay, a specific code. Now, why are we going to use this code? We are using this code. जैसे भी binary code हमने बताया. So you will understand these codes will have ones and zeros, because there is a term which is called as a binary. So binary जब मैं बोलता हूँ तो it is ones and zeros. So nowhere you will see anything other than ones and zeros. So every code will have ones and zeros. So as far as the code is concerned, it is a group of symbols, or it is a group of digits, and the binary code will always have zeros and ones. Nowhere you will see other digit or other symbol other than zeros and ones. Okay. Now, what is the significance of this code? Now this code can be represented for any number. This can be represented for any special character. Okay, for anything. For example, let me tell you an example of ASCII code. You are familiar with ASCII code. All of you see on the screen now. So whenever you see the ASCII code, जब अभी हम जब कभी कीबोर्ड यूज करते हैं या फिर लैपटॉप का जो हम यूज करते हैं कीपैड, तो whenever you press any you know any key, any key, so corresponding to that key, your ASCII is sent to the memory. It will be sent to the memory for more processing. Okay. Similarly, whatever you see on your keyboard or in a keypad, its corresponding codes are there. So that is called as ASCII code. It is called as ASCII code. Okay. Give you an understanding of this. Okay. You can Google search. You will see one का ASCII code होता है, two code होता है, A का ASCII code होता है. So A to Z will have ASCII code. Okay. Then whatever you see at the rate will have some ASCII character. Dollar sign will have some ASCII character. And will have some ASCII character. Asterisk will have some ASCII character. So whatever you see, because आपको पता है, your computer processes the data, and the processing of the data will happen only in the form of ones and okay, ones and zeros. So to do that processing, every character, every number, every letter, every alphabet will have its corresponding ASCII code. Will have its corresponding ASCII code. Okay. So in understood what is a binary code. So any code, group of symbols in the form of ones and zeros will give you binary code. Will give you binary code. Okay. Now the next thing is that why binary only? तो मैंने आपको ये पहले भी बताया था कि you transmit the data, you store and you process the data on ones and zeros. Okay, so these three important functions you do on ones and zeros. Okay, so binary code मैंने ये भी बताया था आपको, अभी यही बताया कि every code whatever, so if I'm talking about ASCII, corresponding group of symbols will be there. Okay, इस corresponding group of symbols है. For अगर मैंने ये 1 लिया और मैंने बताया कि ASCII code में 1 will be in the form of suppose 1100, something like this, 1100. So can I say 0100? So they are the individual symbols, and this group of symbol will form a code. So 1 का मतलब ASCII code में 1100. वैसे अगर 2 का ASCII code, I'm just giving you an example for your understanding. So it is 1110. तो हर एक का कोड होता है, हर एक चीज का कोड होता है. Okay, so we are going to understand what are the different codes. So as far as the different binary code, there are different binary code. जैसे मैंने एक example आपको बताया था ASCII code, वैसे ही there are important 2 or 3 different codes. So which are they? Okay, which are they? So as far as binary codes are concerned, you have to understand 2 important codes. 2 important codes now. 2 important codes. They are weighted code. They are weighted code, and the other non-weighted code. So these are the basics and the important. You can write down in your register if you require. So what I'm writing on the open board, you can just scribble down in your register. So as far as code मैंने बताया था कि any group of symbols in the form of 1 and 0 will give you binary code. अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ the different binary codes. I can categorize the binary code into weighted code and non-weighted code, or meaning of weighted code and non-weighted code. So every position of the digit, every position, if it has some weight, then it is called as a weighted code. Then it is weighted code. Okay, then it is called as a weighted code. Okay, weighted code can be of two type. One is called as a binary, the other one is called as a BCD. Now this is very important. I want everyone to have a keen observation. ये भी important है, बच्चों को ये चीज नहीं समझ में आती है. क्या चीज समझ में नहीं आती है? The difference between the binary weighted code and BCD. So the full form of BCD is binary coded decimal. Coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. So today I'll be talking about the difference between the binary and BCD. So I want everyone to understand this concept very. बच्चों को नहीं समझ में आता है या फिर समझ में आता है तो half knowledge. They and the complete knowledge about this BCD. And always your half knowledge is dangerous. That will fall you into the trap. So always remember the difference between the binary and BCD. Okay, so I will give you binary and BCD. So I was talking about the weighted code in which one is the binary, other is the BCD. BCD under what is the full form of BCD? It is a binary coded decimal. Okay, so we will see what is the difference between the binary and the with a small table. That table will give you the understanding of the difference between the binary and BCD. Okay, I want everyone to pay attention now. See here now. I am writing down a table in which one column is of the decimal number. Decimal number bolo, या फिर you can say only decimal, or you can see decimal digit, whatever you want to say. So one column you have a decimal, other column you have binary. So you can say binary or you can say a binary code. अब देखो ये प्रीवियसली मैंने आपको ये बाइनरी कोड बताया था, उसके दो डिफरेंस, ये दो क्लासिफाई करके बताया, वेटेड कोड एंड नॉन वेटेड कोड. उसमें एक वेटेड कोड में एक बाइनरी आता है. ओके, सो दिस बाइनरी यू कैन से और यू कैन से बाइनरी कोड, बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, देयर इज नॉट सो डिफरेंट. ये बाइनरी कोड एज ए होल in a broader sense, and this binary in a smaller sense. Or smaller sense, you can say it is a particular binary code. So what is that we are going to see now? So you have a decimal number, you have a binary code, and at the last column you have BCD code. You have BCD code. You have BCD code. So these are the three columns you have, and we will go one by one. Okay. By decimal numbers, tell me how many decimal numbers you know. Or the base of decimal number is 10. So which are the different symbols? What are the different symbols? Very good, very good. It is 0 to 9. So can I write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now I want to write down their corresponding binary code. Okay. So for 0, how will you represent in the binary code? You can now 0 can be represented as 0 in binary code, as well as in 2-bit of format. जो मैंने अभी बताया, it can be 00. In 3-bit representation, it can be 000. In the 4-bit of representation, it can be 0000. So I am taking 4-bit of representation for better understanding. So I'm writing down 0000. Now the next thing is BCD code. Now BCD code is what? It is called as a binary coded decimal. And you already know that you have the weight. You have a weight of 1248. So that weight of 1248 is nothing but BCD code. So I can write down here somewhere. I will do what I will do. I will make it 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this BCD code is nothing but 1, 2, 4, 8 code. And you are already familiar with this 1, 2, 4, 8 code. अभी आपको सिर्फ 1, 2, 4, 8 में बोलता था, अभी आपको पता चला उसका नाम क्या है, और उसका नाम क्या है? बाइनरी कोडेड डेसिमल कोड. So 1, 2, 4, 8 is binary coded decimal code. Okay. तो अगर आपको पता है 1, 2, 4, 8 है, तो अगर मुझे ये 0 को रिप्रेजेंट करना है 4 बिट में, तो इट विल बी अगेन 0, 0, 0, 0. Now come to decimal number 1. To represent my decimal number 1, how will you write in 4-bit? It is again 0001. How will you write in BCD? It will be again 0001. How will you represent this two? It will be 0010. In BCD, it will be 0010. For 3, it will be 0011. And for BCD, it will be 0011. Similarly, for 4, it is 0100. For BCD, also it is 0100. And so forth. At the last, just a minute. At the last, you have 9. At the last, you have 9. So how will you represent this 9 in binary code? It will be what? It will be 1001. And in the BCD, it will be 1001. Now you might be having the doubt, sir, what is the difference then between binary code and BCD? दोनों तो सेम ही तो चल रहे, दोनों सेम तो चल रहे, but there is a difference now. There is a difference. There is a difference. Now what is that difference? We will see it now. Now you know that decimal numbers are from 0 to 9. The decimal numbers are 0 to 9. In the next page, what I'm going to write down, again, this is your decimal number. Then you have binary code. Here you have BCD code. In this BCD code, you are following 1248. 1248. Okay. Now tell me, after 9, can I say 10? So can I say 10 is a decimal number?
Yes, sir.
Yes. कोई है जो बोलेगा कि सर 10 डेसिमल नंबर नहीं है? देखो ये है बहुत ही बेसिक थिंग. अगर आपको डाउट है तो प्लीज मुझे पूछो कि सर 10 डेसिमल नंबर कैसा है. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू एक्सप्लेन यू. लेकिन अगर दिमाग में जरा सा भी कीड़ा है जो बोल रहा है कि ये 10 डेसिमल नंबर नहीं हो सकता है, तो यू कैन आस्क मी. यस, देयर इज देयर एनीवन? Please come forward agar doubt hai to. I know there will be some 1 or 2 students, and there is no there is nothing to be shy of this. Yes, because you are in the second year and you have to understand the basics. So I want you to know that
सर वो मेरे को डाउट.
हाँ ठीक है. So 10. तो इसलिए मैं बता रहा था कि जब तक आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो तो आगे मत जाओ, मुझे रुको. तो मैंने आपको बताया था, आई विल जस्ट टेक द नेक्स्ट पेज. तो डेसिमल नंबर मैंने आपको बताया था कि डेसिमल नंबर आपके 0 से 9 तक होते हैं. ओके. और उसका बेस होता है 10. ओके. सो व्हेन यू से अबाउट द डेसिमल नंबर, you will say 0 to 9. So can I say 0 to 9 are only the decimal number? No. You should say the symbols which are used in decimal number are 0 to 9. If I'm using a symbol A, then you will say no sir, it is not a decimal. If I'm using the symbol B, you should say no sir, it is not a decimal. अगर मैं C यूज कर रहा हूँ तो you should say yes, no sir, it is not a decimal. Yes. लेकिन कुछ भी अगर आपको दिख रहा है 0 और 9 के बीच में, 0 और 9 के बीच में नहीं मैं बोलूंगा, अगर आपको सिंबल्स दिख रहे हैं 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 कोई से भी नंबर में, तो यू शुड से यस सर इट इज अ डेसिमल. तो 0 से 9 डेसिमल आपको पता है क्योंकि वो सब सिंबल्स इसमें आते हैं. लेकिन मैं जब 10 लिखता हूँ ना, दिस इज नथिंग बट अब ये 0 to 9. So can I say it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो ये आपके टोटल 10 सिंबल्स है. इसमें से मैंने 1 लिया और उसमें से मैंने 0 लिया और 1 और 0 को मिला के मैंने 10 लिखा. तो व्हाट इज द हार्म? 1 और 0 को मैंने निकाल कर 10 लिखा. So that is a decimal? Yes, because I am taking from the symbol which is of a decimal. If I'm writing down 1 1, so can I say is it decimal? Yes, it is a decimal. I am taking 1 from this. 2 बार लिया मैंने 1. If I'm writing down 12, yes, there is no harm. एक मैंने 1 लिया इसमें से और ये 2 लिया इसमें से, लेकिन ये पूरा सिंबल में से तो ले रहा हूँ ना. ये मैं कहाँ से ला रहा हूँ? आई एम टेकिंग फ्रॉम द पूल ऑफ अ डेसिमल नंबर, फ्रॉम अ सिंबल ऑफ अ डेसिमल. आई एम टेकिंग फ्रॉम दैट पूल. तो एनीथिंग मैं इसमें से उठा रहा हूँ और उसका नंबर बना रहा हूँ, तो दैट नंबर इज कैन बी सेड एज अ डेसिमल. लेकिन ये पूल में एबीसीडी है क्या? नहीं है. एबीसीडी ई एफ है क्या? नहीं है. तो अगर मैं कुछ नंबर लिख रहा हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2a, और मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये डेसिमल है क्या? नहीं, ये डेसिमल नहीं है. ये डेसिमल नहीं. So 10 decimal right, 11 decimal right, 12 decimal right, 13 decimal right, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, whatever you take, whatever you take. So any number you take, which is from this pool, which is from this pool, then those numbers are a decimal number. I hope you have understood now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So come back to this now. Come back to this table. So decimal number 10, 11, 12, 13 डॉट 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 डॉट. अभी वो इन्फिनिटी जाएगा, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ ऐसे इसमें से 10 और 11 लेता हूँ. 10 और 11 लेता हूँ. Now see the magic now. Now see the magic and see the difference between binary code and BCD code. I want everyone to have a keen observation. Okay. Now in this keen observation, if you see properly, you will come to know how this 10 is represented in the binary code. How this 10 is represented in the binary code. Now this 10 is represented in the binary code in this format. Just hold on. Yes. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see now here 10. See the representation of the 10 in binary code and see the representation of 10 in the BCD code. The representation of 10 in the binary code is 1 0 1 0. The representation of 10 in binary code is 1 0 1 0. And the representation of the 10 in, इसको मैं रफ करता हूँ एक मिनट. Now see the representation of 10 in BCD now. BCD. So the representation will be of 2 digits of 2 symbols. एक है ये 1 और दूसरा है ये 0. This 1 will be represented as 0 0 0 1. And this 0 will be represented as 0 0 0 0. So you have 1 2 4 8 following for this 0 and 1 2 4 8 following for this 1. So ultimately I can say decimal number 10 is represented as 1 0 1 0 in binary code and 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 in BCD. Similarly, 11 decimal number can be represented in binary as 1 0 1 1 and in BCD it is represented as 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Can you see the difference now between the binary code and the BCD code? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Go to the previous page and see here. Can I say my binary code is also following 1248 code, 1248 code, 1248 code for all the decimal numbers, for all the decimal numbers. देखो मैं जो बता रहा हूँ ना वो आपको बराबर सुनना है और अगर डाउट है तो पूछना है. I am again making the statement now. I can comment now. Your binary code is following 1248 for all the decimal numbers. But as far as BCD code is concerned, this BCD code is only following for the numbers 0 to 9. Again, I'm making the other statement now. As your BCD code is following the 1248 code for only the decimal number 0 to 9, that is why you have BCD code as valid BCD code and invalid BCD code. You have valid BCD code and you have invalid BCD code. तो ये चीज मैं बाद में लूंगा. वैलिड कोड BCD कोड क्या होता है और इनवैलिड BCD कोड क्या होता है, और अगर BCD कोड इनवैलिड है, सो हाउ डू यू कन्वर्ट दैट इनवैलिड BCD कोड इनटू वैलिड BCD कोड. तो आपको सिर्फ इतना समझना है कि BCD कोड्स कैन बी वैलिड और इनवैलिड, and if the BCD code is invalid, that can be converted into valid BCD code. तो ये चीज हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, come to this part now. So as far as this table is concerned, you have understood कि binary code 1248 format follow करता है for all the decimal numbers. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Clear? इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं लिख रहा हूँ 22, ये डेसिमल नंबर है. हाँ, ये डेसिमल नंबर है. मुझे इसका बाइनरी कोड चाहिए. Can any one of you tell me the binary code of 22? I am waiting for your answer. I want the binary code for 22.
Sir, 10110.
10110. 10110. So you have used the code as 124816. देखो 5 बिट लेना ही पड़ा. मैं सिर्फ 1248 बोल रहा हूँ बाइनरी कोड के लिए. वैसी बात नहीं है. Depending upon the number which you are encountering, you have to take 16 also. So what is 16 plus 4 plus 2? 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. And that is why you got this binary code as 10110. My next question is, how will you represent these 22 in BCD? How will you represent
0010.
0010.
Very good. 0010 and 0010. So for this two, you have 0010. For this two, you have 0010. Okay. अभी एक बात समझने जैसी है क्या कि बाइनरी कोड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन व्हाट नंबर यू आर एनकाउंटरिंग, यू हैव टू टेक द नेक्स्ट बिट. जैसे 16 में यहाँ पे लेना ही पड़ा. 4 बिट में काम होता था क्या? नहीं होता था. 5th बिट लेना ही पड़ा. ओके. लेकिन वैसे बीसीडी में वैसी बात नहीं है. यू हैव टू ऑलवेज फॉलो 1248. nowhere there will be 16. You have to always follow 1248. तो जैसे 1248 यहाँ पे फॉलो किया है वैसे यहाँ पे भी 1248. So you can take any number, you will get 1248. Tell me the largest 2-digit decimal number.
99.
99. Yes, you are right.
99.
हाँ, तो 99 का बाइनरी कोड में करेंगे तो डू दिस एज अ होमवर्क, क्योंकि ये फिर बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. यू डू दिस एज अ होमवर्क. ओके. और बीसीडी में अगर करना है अगर BCD में करना है तो it will be what 1001 and 1001. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So today you have understood what are the decimal numbers. हम कौन कौन से decimal number लिख सकते हैं? How do you identify the decimal numbers? How do you recognize the decimal numbers? Today we have understood that binary code. So your binary code will follow 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and so forth, depending upon the number जो decimal number हम लेना चाह रहे हैं. It goes on. लेकिन ये चीज यहाँ पे ये चीज यहाँ पे देखने को मिलती है कि BCD में नहीं देखने को मिलती. So for every symbol you have to represent into 1248 format only. There nowhere you will see 16, 32. There nowhere you will see. It is always 1248. It is always 1248. As far as your BCD is concerned. Okay. So go just come back to the previous table. Yes, this table. So this table gives you a proper idea कि डेसिमल नंबर 0 to 9 लिया मैंने, बाइनरी कोड 1248 यूज कर रहा हूँ तो कहाँ तक जा रहा है, और BCD कोड अगर मैं ले रहा हूँ 9 का तो 1001 में जा रहा है. और वैसे ही अगर मैं 9 का 10 में जाता हूँ तो आई एम ऑलवेज इन द 4-bit रिप्रेजेंटेशन. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हम 5th बिट में कब जाएंगे, जब yes, can anyone of you tell me हम 5th bit में कब जाएंगे? That is also good question. Tell me हम 5th bit में कब जाएंगे when the decimal number is? Now this is a more interesting question now. Use your brain and tell me the answer. Which decimal number will land up हमें
16.
will land up us in to getting of 5-bit representation. So someone of you have told me 16. अगर मैं 16 लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, so it is what? It is 12, 13, 14, 15. So अगर 1248 format यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं, 1248 format यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. तो इसमें काम नहीं हो रहा है, तो मुझे एक और एक बिट लेना पड़ेगा, that is 16th वाला, और 16 वाला जब मैं लूंगा then it will be 1 0 0 0 0. अभी बराबर है? अभी बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So you have given me right answer. 16 is a decimal number which will bound us to enter into the 5-bit representation of binary. लेकिन 16 का जब BCD में बात आती है तो it is 0 0 0 1 and for 6 it is 0 1 1 0. Is it clear to you everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any question? If you have any question, please ask me. Otherwise, I will proceed. So shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me go to the previous page again. Yes, I was talking about the binary code now. So whenever we talk about the binary code, it is binary and BCD. So you have understood what is the binary now. So can I say binary will follow the code of 1 2 4 8 16 and dot dot dot. अभी ये देखो वेटेड कोड है, वेटेड कोड के अंदर ये बाइनरी आया है. ये क्यों आया कि देखो कोड उसका वेट देखो क्या है. पहले पोजीशन का वेट है 1, दूसरे पोजीशन का वेट है 2, तीसरे पोजीशन का वेट है 4, 4th पोजीशन का वेट है 8, 5th पोजीशन का वेट है 16. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ वेटेड. तो BCD को क्यों बोला जाता है वेटेड कोड? बिकॉज स्ट्रिक्टली इट इज फॉलोइंग द वेट ऑफ 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8. तो इसलिए इसको भी वेटेड कोड कहा जाता है. ओके. अभी एक इसमें और एक इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग है, जब मैं BCD बोलता हूँ तो इट इज 99.99% it is 1 2 4 8 unless and until it is specified, but there are some other BCD codes also. There are some other binary coded decimal codes also. For example, it is suppose 2421. For example, if it is 5211. There are many. I am just giving you 2 examples here. 2421 2421। अब इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर मैं 2421 ले रहा हूँ, ओके, और मैं अगर आपको बताऊं कि अगर यू यूज दिस कोड 2421 and represent number 3, tell me the code. Let me take the fresh page. टू फोर टू वन अगर ये बीसीडी कोड में यूज कर रहा हूँ, एंड इफ आई एम आस्किंग यू टू रिप्रेजेंट decimal number 3 in this code, can any one of you tell me the code, the BCD code for decimal number 3? Yes,
0011।
वेरी गुड, 0011। हमको हमेशा इधर से देखना है, तो 1 + 2 करूंगा तभी तो 3 आएगा, so it is 0011। very good. To represent my decimal number 5, tell me the code.
0101.
Very good, 0101, very good, because 1 + 4 gives you 5. okay, suppose एक बीसीडी कोड में यूज कर रहा हूँ और वो कोड का फॉर्मेट है सपोज 5311 5311। तो सिमिलरली how do you represent 3 in this 5311 BCD code?
0100.
0100.
Very 0100, very good. Tell me for 5.
1000.
Very good. Yes, you are right. So I'm just giving an example that 1248 is globally recognized and 99.99% it is used. And there are some other BCD codes, for example 1242 1135. Okay, so this is just for your extra knowledge, but most of the time we'll be using with 1248 code for BCD. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So come to this now. So we have talked about the weighted code. I have told you 1248 mostly time. So if you want to write, you can write down 2421 also. इसके नीचे आप लिख सकते हो 5311 जो मैंने बताया था वो भी लिख सकते हो, जैसे आपको चाहिए आप लिख सकते हो. देयर आर डिफरेंट बीसीडी कोड्स अवेलेबल. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नॉन वेटेड कोड. अभी आपको समझ गया ये अगर वेटेड है तो ये नॉन वेटेड है, यानी इसके पोजीशंस में वेट नहीं होते हैं, इसके पोजीशंस पे वेट नहीं होते हैं. Okay, so as far as non-weighted codes are concerned, there are also many, but as far as your syllabus is concerned, we are dealing with only important one. They are access 3 code, okay, and the other one, ये दो ही है आपके सिलेबस में, and the other one is gray code. Okay, so as far as non-weighted codes are concerned, these are the two important ones. You can write down in your register. The one is XS3 and the other one is gray code, gray gray code. Okay, axis and gray code. Okay, axis and gray code. Okay, so today we'll be talking about the other codes also. So till now किसी को कुछ डाउट है? आपके अगर कुछ क्वेरी है तो मुझे पूछो. अगर if everything is fine, I can proceed further.
No, sir.
Anyone?
No, sir.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
सर बीसीडी में अर्रे को 4 बिट में रहेगा ना?
हाँ हर एक को 4 बिट. बीसीडी में हर एक बिट को 4 बिट, हर डिजिट को 4 बिट. there is no representation in 5. There is no 5-bit representation. It is always 4-bit. That means 1248 हमको बीसीडी में फॉलो करना है. बाइनरी में depending upon which binary, so which decimal number you want its corresponding binary code, depending upon that you can go with 4-bit representation, 5-bit representation, or 6-bit representation. So it is following 1 2 4 8 16 ... code. Is it fine?
यस सर.
हाँ यस. और कोई तो भी पूछ रहा था.
सर बीसीडी 5311 में 5 को 0 1 1 1 क्यों नहीं लिख सकते?
नहीं अभी देखो ठीक है, आपने ये अभी 5211 बोल रहे ना?
5 3 1
नहीं
1
हाँ 5311, एक मिनट मैं यहाँ पे कहीं लिखता हूँ 5311। तो हम जब पीछे से 1 2 4 हाँ लिख सकते, यस। So whenever you go from this side na, so you encounter with this one first, then this one first, then 3. So if 3 plus 1 gives you 5, then it is 0 1 1 1. Yes, 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 this is right. और
सर
अगर
दोनों
हम
कैसे
कुछ
राइट होगा फिर?
नहीं वो पहले वाला रॉन्ग है, पहले वाला रॉन्ग। दिस इज राइट 0 1 1। ओके दिस इज राइट 0 1 0 1 1 1 इज द राइट। और मुझे इसमें अगर 6 लिखना है तो 6 कैसे मैं लिखूंगा?
1 0 1 0
1 0 1 0।
1 0 0 1।
यस 1 0 0 1। आपको लेफ्ट से जाना है, आपको लेफ्ट से जाना है, सॉरी लेफ्ट से जाना है, सॉरी राइट से लेफ्ट को जाना है। और कौन कौन से बीट आप यूज करोगे टू मेक दैट नंबर, वो ही आपको लेना है। तो जब मैं राइट से लेफ्ट जा रहा हूँ तो पहले मैं 1, ये 1 आ रहा है तो इसको मुझे लेना ही पड़ेगा। ये 1 मैं नहीं लूंगा, बाद में 3 को नहीं लेना है और ये 5 को लेना है, तो इसलिए 1 0 0 1 0 0। सो ऑलवेज हम जब राइट से लेफ्ट जा रहे हैं ना, और जो नंबर जो कोड को हमको लेना ही है, हम उसको पहले लेंगे, हम उसको पहले लेंगे। इज इट फाइन?
यस सर।
एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? प्लीज मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछा करो ताकि मुझे पता चले कि आप लोग सुनते हो, आप लोग समझते हो, आप लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है ये चीज। सो बेटर यू आस्क मी। एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस यू हैव? यस?
नो सर।
ओके, so shall we proceed further now?
यस सर।
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will start with now I have explained you binary, I have explained you BCD. Now we will start with XS3. Okay, this is a part of your syllabus, so we will see this. XS3. Okay, we will see now XS3 code. हाँ कहीं कहीं पे XS3 को ऐसा भी लिखा जाता है XS3 या फिर सिर्फ X और 3. So whatever you want you can take. So XS3 या फिर only X or 3. Okay. Now these as far as XS3 codes are concerned, these are actually derived from your BCD code. Okay, that is derived from your BCD code. Okay, तो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि to get my XS3, the first important thing is that I should get the BCD. I should get the BCD. लेकिन BCD किसका? BCD डेसिमल का, BCD डेसिमल नंबर का, BCD डेसिमल नंबर का. So these are the steps to get my XS3. So to get my XS3, मैंने आपको जैसे बताया था कि XS3 is derived from the BCD. और BCD आपको अगर चाहिए तो आपको कौन से डेसिमल नंबर का BCD चाहिए, तो आपको डेसिमल नंबर चाहिए. So whatever you see on your screen with an arrow, that is how these are the steps to get my XS3. So डेसिमल नंबर दिया रहेगा, उसमें से BCD लाओ, वो BCD में से फिर कन्वर्ट इनटू XS3. Now the main question is how do you get XS3? XS3 इसी के लिए कहा जाता है कि उसमें 3 को ऐड किया जाता है, उसमें 3 को ऐड किया जाता है. So in this process you have to add 3. Plus 3 अगर पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो you can say you have to add 0 0 1 1. You have to add 0 0 1 1. So can I say 0 0 1 1 is nothing but the binary representation of 3, or you can say it is a BCD of 3. Yeah, whatever. क्योंकि आपको पता है 0 से 9 तक बाइनरी कोड और BCD कोड सेम है. Do you agree with this or no? डेसिमल नंबर 0 से 9 तक बाइनरी कोड और बीसीडी कोड सेम है. डू यू एग्री विद दिस और नो?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. इज देयर एनीवन विद द डाउट? 1% भी दिमाग में अगर कीड़ा है तो पूछो. इज देयर एनीवन? जस्ट स्पीक आउट, हाँ या ना. अगर हाँ है तो आई विल प्रोसीड फर्दर, अगर नहीं है तो आई नीड टू शो यू दैट टेबल, प्रीवियस टेबल. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. yes or no?
So you can proceed further.
Okay, ठीक है. So I hope that you have understood. So मैंने सिर्फ यही सेंटेंस बनाया था कि डेसिमल नंबर 0 से 9 अगर हम लेते हैं तो उसका बाइनरी कोड भी और बाइनरी कोड और बीसीडी कोड सेम टू सेम. ओके. सो डेसिमल नंबर I have to convert into BCD first, then I have to add 3 or I have to add 0011 to get my access 3. So these are the simple steps which has to be followed to get my access 3. Okay. So with this understanding, can I have a table where you have a decimal number, where you have the BCD, where you have the access 3, Now I want answer from you fatafat. So if I go from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So tell me the BCD number for 0. It is 0, 0, 0, 0 because it is following 1248 code. For 1 it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And the last one is suppose ... it is 1, 0, 0, 1. I will take an example. For example, if I am taking 5. Okay, if I am taking 5, so 5 is here. Okay, 5. So the BCD representation, हमने क्या बताया था? To get my access 3, you have to follow this step. So I have got a decimal number. If I am taking 5, I have got the BCD of that number. It is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now I have to add 0, 0, 1, 1 to this BCD code to get my access 3. तो अभी हमने पढ़ा था बाइनरी एडिशन में कैसे करना है. So if I am writing down 0, 1, 0, 1 and if I have to add 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, I'm adding this. I'm doing binary addition. I'm doing my binary addition now. So 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 1. Yes, tell me 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So 0 is nothing but I will not take that. So 1 plus 1 is again 0, carry 1. Again 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So again I can write down 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0. So what is 1, 0, 0, 0? Is it? It is what is the equivalent of 1, 0, 0, 0 in decimal number?
8.
In decimal number 8.
8.
So access 3 I have got 8. That is in decimal. In binary it is 1, 0, 0, 0. So I can conclude a decimal number 5 which is represented as 0, 1, 0, 1. Its access 3 is 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, you can do either of adding this BCD of 5 with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 or directly 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3. This is nothing but plus 3. मैंने बताया था plus 3 करो. तो आप डायरेक्टली 5 plus 3 करके आपको 8 आता है, उसका इक्विवेलेंट BCD लिखो, ये भी कर सकते हो. या फिर 5 को BCD में कन्वर्ट करके उसमें 0 0 1 1 को ऐड करो, जो आपको आंसर आता है वो यहाँ पे 1 0 0 0. So whatever you think, you can write it down. So with this understanding, now I will be able to complete the table. Now I will be able to complete the table. So 5 0 1 0 1. एक्सेस 3 में क्या लिखूं? एक्सेस 3 में क्या लिखूं? एक्सेस 3 में क्या लिखूं?
1 0 0 0.
1 0 0 0. वेरी गुड. फॉर 4 फटाफट बताओ. एक्सेस 3 4 plus 3.
0 1 1 1.
Very good. 0 1 1 1. For 3.
0
What
1
is
1 1
access
0.
3? 0 1 1 no, 0 1
0
1
1
0. Very
0.
good. Very good. For 2, access 3.
0 1 0 1.
0 1 0 1. Very good. For 1, access
0
3.
1 0 0.
0 1 0 0. Very good. For 0,
0
access
0
3.
1 1.
0
0 0
0.
1 1.
Very good. Bas. And so forth. And so forth. So this is how we will get. Okay, tell me for what is access 3 for 9. Access 3. ये आपका ये 9 है. Tell me the
1
access
1
3.
0 0.
1 1 0 0. Very good. 1 1 0. So this is how it is done. This is how it is. अभी यहाँ पे मुझे एक conclusion करना है. Here I have to conclude. The conclusion is that, can I say, I want answer from you. Can I say your access 3 follows 1 2 4 8 format? Can I say your access 3 follows 1 2 4 8 format? Can I say your access 3 follows 1 2 4 8 format?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Does it follow the 1 2 4 8 format? Anyone with no answer? Anyone with no answer?
Sir, it does not follow 8 2 4 8 4 2 1.
Okay. Tell me the reason.
Sir, when 0 in decimal written in excess 0 0 1 1, so if we add, it will not come 0.
You are near to the
If
answer,
we
but
add weight.
सर 3
yes,
ऐड करने के बाद वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगा ना.
yes, you are right. So that was I was expecting, and whatever the previous student has said, that is also right. Okay, so that is the answer, that access 3 doesn't follow 1 2 4 8, because whenever you take any decimal number, whenever you add 3 into that, you will get some other number. Okay, but if you see in the background, you know that this BCD also follows 1 2 4 8. Okay, and whenever you add this 3 to this BCD, the whatever the number you get, that is also is in the form of 1 2 4 8. But in true sense, you don't get the weight of that particular number, the value of that particular number, because every time you have to add 3. Okay, so that is why your access 3 is a non-weighted code. That is why it is called as a non-weighted code. It doesn't follow the code of 1 2 4 8. We are just adding 0 0 1 1 to the BCD number or its corresponding decimal number to get my access 3. इसलिए उसको access 3 कहा जाता है. Access 3, add 0 0 1 1. Okay, so that is the explanation for that. Okay, my next question is, whatever the access 3 you get, whether it follows the BCD code or whether it follows binary code. Whether it follows BCD code or it follows binary code, your access 3. It follows? Yes. आपकी आवाज कम आ रही है. Yes, tell me. It follows. See, you may be wrong, but at least speak something. जितना आपको समझ में आया उसके हिसाब से बताओ. मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि XS3 whether it follows BCD or it follows binary code.
So binary code.
Binary code. Okay. Anyone else with the other answer? Anyone who says BCD?
सर दोनों नहीं.
दोनों भी कर रहा है. ठीक है, ठीक है.
दोनों
Let me
नहीं.
give an दोनों नहीं, दोनों भी नहीं ना.
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है. So actually speaking, अभी देखो मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ. XS3 actually it is a non-weighted code. It is a non-weighted code. As it is a non-weighted code, it should not follow BCD as well as binary, because BCD and binary both are weighted code. But whenever you add plus 0011, but whenever you add plus 0011, whatever the XS3 code you get, that follows your binary code. वो कैसे? Okay. Now अगर हम देखा जाता है, अगर हम देखते हैं, if I go till 6, so 6 plus 3 gives you 9. To represent my 9 in XS3, you have ऊपर देखो 1001. तो जब तक मैं 6 में 3 ऐड करता हूँ, आई एम गेटिंग XS3 as 1001, तब तक ठीक है. लेकिन जब 7 में मैं 3 ऐड करता हूँ, 7 में जब मैं 3 ऐड करता हूँ, तो it gets 10. So how do you add in XS3? The 10 will be written as 1010. Yes or no? Yes or no? You have to answer me. Yes or no? आप लोग है वहां पे या नहीं है? Are you there with me?
So can you repeat the question again?
हाँ ठीक है, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ. मैंने आपको पूछा था कि XS3 BCD फॉलो करता है या बाइनरी फॉलो करता है. एक ने मुझे कहा BCD फॉलो करता है, एक ने मुझे कहा सर वो BCD भी नहीं फॉलो करता और बाइनरी भी फॉलो नहीं करता. तो मैं अभी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहा हूँ. मैं बता रहा हूँ तो XS3 is a non-weighted code. It should not follow BCD as well as binary code, because binary and BCD both are weighted code. But in actual sense, जब हम XS3 की जब बात करते हैं, ओके, इट फॉलोज योर बाइनरी कोड. वो कैसे वो मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहा हूँ. Suppose if I take an example, see on your screen now, if I'm taking the example of decimal number 6, if this 6 is, if I want to get the XS3 of 6, तो 6 plus 3 gives you 9. तो 9 कैसा लिखा जाता है? ये यहाँ पे लिखा है मैंने, 1001. वैसे 7 अगर मुझे लिखना है तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगा? XS3 में प्लस 3 करेंगे तो 10 आएगा, तो 10 कैसे लिखूंगा? 1010. ये देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है 1010. और अगर मैं 8 ले रहा हूँ, 8 में 3 ऐड करो तो हाउ मच यू गेट? 8 9 10 11. 11 कैसे लिखोगे? आई विल राइट समवेयर
1011
1011 1011. जब 9 की बात आती है, आप 9 को कैसे लिखते हो? 9 का XS3, 9 plus 3 it gives you 12. तो 12 कैसे लिखते हो? 8 9 10 11 12. So it is 1010. No, it is 1100. बराबर है? हाँ 1100. तो मुझे बात बताओ, ये मैं अगर कर रहा हूँ, तो आई एम फॉर XS3 आई एम यूजिंग ओनली 4 bits. I am only using 4 bits. So similarly for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So everywhere. Now let me tell you with an example. अगर मैं अभी ये decimal number 10 लिया, so what is the BCD of 10 now? And what is the XS3? How will you write down this 10? 10 will be written as 0001 and this 0 will be written as 0000. Now here I have to add 3. So if I add 3 here, मैं यहाँ पे बता रहा हूँ, add 3 कर रहा हूँ, तो it will be 0011. Now please add this. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 0 is 0 0, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे 0. So I have to write here what? Axis 3 में मैं क्या लिखूंगा? In axis 3 I have to write down what? I have to write down 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So
Yes,
0
sir.
0 0 0 1 is 1, 0 0 1 1 is 3. So 10 plus 3 gives you 13 and वो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा. तो कहने से 13 का मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा? BCD इक्विवेलेंट लिखा या बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट लिखा?
BCD.
Yes, yes, BCD. So access 3 follows the BCD code. Access 3 follows the BCD code. तो अगर वाइवा में क्वेश्चन पूछा या फिर आपको किसने भी नींद में भी क्वेश्चन पूछा कि एक्सेस 3 कोड जो है वो बाइनरी कोड फॉलो करता है या बीसीडी कोड फॉलो करता है, तो पहली बात तो वो नॉन वेटेड है तो वो दोनों भी फॉलो नहीं करना चाहिए. लेकिन while writing down the representation of access 3 of any decimal number, it strictly follows BCD code. It strictly follows BCD code. It strictly follows BCD. ओके. तो 0 से 9 तक हम जब आते हैं ना तब हम बीसीडी करते हैं. यानी ये देखो यहाँ पे जो है जब हम 0 से 9 तक आते हैं ये जो भी नंबर दिख रहा है ना आपको, तो यू कैन कंसीडर दिस एज अ बीसीडी एज वेल एज बाइनरी. So you can consider this as BCD or as binary. You can consider this as BCD और binary. ठीक है. लेकिन हम जब 9 से जब आगे जाते हैं, हम जब 9 से अगर 10 तक जाते हैं और 10 plus 3 gives you 13, तो हमको रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो है ये बाइनरी में नहीं दिख रहा है, ये बीसीडी में दिख रहा है. तो यू कैन जस्ट से एक्सेस 3 फॉलोज बीसीडी कोड और एक्सेस 3 रिप्रेजेंट्स द बीसीडी कोड. हाँ बताओ
सर 12:25 हुआ है सर.
अच्छा ठीक है, टाइम हो गया. व्हेन इज योर
हाँ
नेक्स्ट
सर.
लेक्चर? व्हेन इज योर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर?
110.
Sir, 110.
Okay, ठीक है. So I think exercise 3 I have completed. In the next lecture I will be talking about the remaining code, that is a gray code. Okay. So attendance हुआ है कि एक बार देख लो. Someone of you please check. Is there message in the text message किसी ने किया है? एक मिनट रुको, लेट मी चेक किया है अटेंडेंस हुआ है क्या. डू नॉट लीव, लेट मी चेक.
Can we leave?
सर को मैसेज तो डाला हो.
Nitin sir is there? नितिन सर.
यस सर. सर नितिन सर है मीट में.
अच्छा ठीक है ओके. नितिन सर अटेंडेंस हो गया? Nitin sir, have you taken the attendance? Yes, okay. Your attendance has been taken. You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye. Hey, Vansh.